Good morning, good morning. Tuesday, CD Amplified Trading. Hello, Sojadin. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Juanjo Fer 6. Okay. Nasdaq NFP today. Okay, NFP price taking highs and lows in the NFP relays. Right now, price have SMT with Dow taking this 4-hour low, and Nasdaq only rebalance the fair value gap. One market taking external liquidity, the other market taking internal liquidity only. Okay, this is the first array for this 4-hour power of 3. 10 a.m. power of 3 in play, 4-hour. So 4-hour time frame, 4-hour PD arrays here. Fair value gap in the 4-hour time frame. Okay. Clean chart. Reactions. Look, price don't broken the SMT. 5 minutes candles bodies remains above the equities open. Okay, 4-hour fair value gap. This is the array for the 10 a.m. in play. 5 minutes close, candle close above the equities open. Yeah, exactly. Candles bodies tells the history. Wicks, it's the damage. Low for the day here. What is your projection? 5 minutes. The 1.5 deviation area. 15 minutes projection here. The 3.5. 0, 1. 15 minutes fair value gap in the New York Open. Remember, today, okay, it's one question for the chat. What is the more important time opening today? Today, Tuesday, what is the more important time opening? Maverick, yeah, Maverick. The relays for the NFP, it's the more important time opening today because it's the more high impact news in the economic drivers. Okay, so right now in the 15 minutes time frame, this time opening for the NFP, it's in play. Look here, this is the fair value gap in the New York NFP relays here. Okay. Si te fijas, todas las velas que han pasado por este opening han sido solo wicks. Hay únicamente 2 velas que han cerrado con cuerpos de vela y ha sido este movimiento alcista, bullish candle, bearish candle. Okay. Bullish candle, bearish candle. And right now price return in the opening. So if price, for example, close above this opening, this confirm the expansion for this specific day, or the economic driver. The first move, it's only accumulation, like to seek and destroy, taking the buy side, return to the sell side, and right now in the midpoint. Okay. So take in consideration this opening for the moves. If price, for example, remains below the opening and the fair value gap, this is information for you for the economic driver, high impact news. But if price return in this opening, it's the same. It's information, but for the next dynamics, it's very important you have one direction. For example, if you have a bearish direction, the time opening for the NFP, it's your time level for the moves. Like this, look, the reactions fair value gap, price don't close above for the moment. First presentation, fair value gaps in play here for the 9. Yeah, 9. Look, in 1 minute. 5 minutes. On the NFP opening. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Wesley. Wesley Lap. 5 minutes candle close in exactly in 1 minute and 10 seconds. So in function for the NFP opening, the close for the 5 minutes, it's very important in my mind. If price close above the NFP open, this is bullish confirmation. Okay, NFP relays the first move in bullish, second move in bearish, and the last move it's in the higher time frame direction. So the first move it's for accumulation and generating liquidity. Okay, but the time opening it's your time level for reference for the last move after the accumulation phase in the NFP. And when price printed this manipulation in the accumulation, it's probability you have one SMT for confirm the last move after the accumulation or engineering liquidity. Okay. 5 minutes candle close above the NFP open. Look, the candle body in the 5 minutes, it's above the NFP opening here. Okay, NFP open, strong close above. So this confirmed the bullish idea in the 4 hour. Because I take one 4 hour PD array, you need take one draw on liquidity or target for the same time frame. In this specific price action, you have here other fair value gap, opposite fair value gap, bullish fair value gap to the bearish fair value gap. Okay, this is the idea, point A to the point B. 11 power of 3 in 3 minutes. The 15 minutes candle close. For me, the important close for the daily power of 3, it's the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. 5 minutes, it's one intermediate time frame between lower and medium. Okay, so the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour, it's the confirmations or close for the daily power of 3. The last minute for the 10 a.m. The first presentation, fair value gap in 1 minute for the 8 a.m., 8 morning. This is the hour for the NFP. This first presentation in 1 minute, like to inversion. You can see here in the equilibrium, 1 hour equilibrium, first presentation, the 8 morning. This is the first presentation. This is the equilibrium, 1 hour. These two highs above, it's like to low resistance liquidity run. These two highs. 11 power of 3, 10 a.m. close above the equilibrium. 15 minutes, candle close above the NFP opening. This confirmed the bullish moves. Okay. For the moment, Tuesday live stream today, it's clear. In the chat, please send one. One. Okay. In few words, the framework today in the 4 hour for the 10 a.m. point A to the point B. This is the point A to the point B. And dog in play, 15 minutes, fair value gap here, version, the NFP open. Okay, coffee time, patience, wait a minute, please. This is the NFP range in the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. NFP range high, NFP range low. If you see price engineering liquidity above and below, return to the midpoint. And right now, price is playing in the NFP range low. Mark Alex, mira, Dow es bajista. De los tres es el más débil totalmente. Ese ya tomó London Lows y Asia Lows. NFP range low. Y, M, H. Okay. Patience. This is the last discount level in the 1 minute range. If you see, for example, here it's your first range, swing high and swing low and swing high. Okay, when price printed this bearish retracement to discount and create new dealing range, you need change from this low and this high. Okay, so inside this swing new dealing range, swing low and swing high, you need to see the sell side liquidity or buy side. Here it's the sell side. What is the sell side, Dexter? The sell side, it's the highs or lows before the dealing range high or dealing range low. It's all the highs and lows inside one dealing range. So if your dealing range is this low and this high, your sell side liquidity, it's all this low, okay? It's sell side liquidity. So in the current dealing range, the more lower fair value gap is this volume imbalance with this fair value gap. Okay, so this is the last discount level in this dealing range. Okay, if price close below the dealing range low, this is other history and it's probability I am wrong in the direction. It's no easy condition. It's one NFP framework. El mercado quiere tu dinero, quiere sacarte del mercado antes de hacer todo lo que va a hacer. Te va a hacer pensar lo contrario, te va a hacer dudar, te va a hacer muchas cosas, te va a generar. Okay. Eso no quiere decir que no te vayas a equivocar nunca. Simplemente quiere decir que uno debe confiar y tener una idea y esperar a que se desarrolle y te invalide o te valide. Así es, no es el mejor mes como tal, eh, diciembre. Eh, Baja un poco la velocidad, llegando a los 16, 17, 20 de diciembre, llega el estancamiento de invierno. Macro in 9 minutes. Patience, bro. The last discount level, candles bodies remains above here. Da como miedo, ¿no? Pero es parte del negocio. Igual no es un entorno fácil, como se menciona. Es NFP Framework, NFP Framework. Macro, the last macro time window. No plan B, no plan C. NFP open in 5 minutes. Look here. This is the more important time level today. Lunch hour. 11 close above the equilibrium. The last 10 minutes for the Tuesday live stream. Remember, if you have questions, comments, doubts before close this Tuesday streaming in the chat. Okay, this is the last 8 minutes for the macro time window. Slowly session, but it's the same idea in the 4 hour point A to the point B. Lower time frames dynamics, maybe it's a little confused, but this is the market. Okay, this is the algorithmic delivery, engineering liquidity in the both sides. Okay. Requiere como un pensamiento distinto. Interbank mindset for trust in the moves before happens. Un placer, Mike, es un placer. La verdad, es un placer compartir con ustedes pantalla. You're welcome, Amuri, Javi. Es un negocio psicológico, totalmente. O sea, así funciona el price action. Así está diseñado también el algoritmo para justamente como generar pensamientos, ¿no? Ya estamos hablando de algo psicológico. Y pues sí, es confiar en higher time frame. Cambiar de idea nunca es bueno si no te ha invalidado tu primera idea inicial. O sea, cambiar de idea por miedo casi nunca es factible. Lo mejor es tener como tu nivel de invalidación y decir, no, aquí o es esperar, o llega o me invalida en este punto, o Price sigue en una dinámica lower time frame. Okay. Porque si supongamos que está en opposite direction, pero aún no te invalida totalmente y te empieza a dar miedo, ay, no, a lo mejor no, y empiezas a cerrar tus posiciones en esa dirección y metes en la otra dirección, estás tradeando con miedo. Eso es miedo, porque ya no te invalidó. Y uno tiene que confiar en que, ok, pues está bien, acepto equivocarme, pero me voy a equivocar bien, en un punto lógico, en un punto donde me permita ser paciente y dejar que Price se desarrolle y tenga dinámicas sin afectar mi idea o posición. Creo que esa es la parte complicada del trading. El que Price te genere cambiar tu idea por miedo. El miedo, creo que el miedo es un principal factor con el cual lidiamos todos los días. Entendiendo el español más cada día. Genial. Okay, I take my profits and partials. This is the last minute for the macro. Nos vemos, Mike. You welcome. Un placer. Así es, Javi. Eso nos exigimos demasiado y realmente tenemos que permitirnos equivocarnos. Es la única manera para poder perder bien como tal. Pero sí, es muy común. A nadie le gusta equivocarse, ¿no? Creo que ese es un tema bastante interesante porque en el trading lo más seguro que tienes es que te vas a equivocar. Entonces imagínate, si equivocarse es un problema y aquí te vas a equivocar sí o sí, es un tema que profundizar y estudiar. Okay. This is all for me. Tuesday live stream, NFP, slowly session. It's no the more clean delivery, but it's what it is. Okay, so no more questions, no more comments, no more doubts. This is all for me. Tuesday live stream, December. Okay, I hope this live stream is helpful for your understanding time and price dynamics, higher time frame and lower time frame dynamics. See you the next live stream on Tuesday and Friday 10 a.m. Un placer, Dalí. You welcome, Dalí. Javi, un placer. Avisas cuando andes por acá. Te va a tratar bien. Junsi, you welcome. Enjoy your day and be safe. It's the same idea, yeah. Sí, Sergio, la misma idea. Point A to the point B in the 4 hour for the next session. Okay, no more questions, no more comments. Bye bye. See you tomorrow in the Discord chat, trader.